What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy After Effects tutorial. Now, today we want to learn how to make callout title inside of After Effects. And you should know what a callout title is. It is 2 points. It draws a line between the points and they stay connected. So if we move this around on screen, the line should follow it. So this is the basics of how to create callout titles. And right before we get started, as always guys, feel free to check out Filmit.io, a resource made by creatives for creatives. Assets, plugins, you name it, we got it. Go check it out today. So we have two pieces of text on screen. What we want to do is right click in our layer panel, new, it can be a new solid, doesn't matter what it is, but we need something to put an effect on. So inside of effects and presets, we're going to type beam. This is like the go-to way to make a connection point callout title. Now, if you want to make a curved callout title, there's a different method, but this is for straight lines. This effect right here is pretty cool. It's just called beam. We can do inside and outside color. Let's just make it both white for now. And our effect controls here. Let's make our starting thickness, softness down to 0. It's a straight line. We want to make our length to 100%, and our time is 50. Just leave it there. Now we have a starting point and an end point. What you want to do is drop down on your start layer, drop down on transform, and you're looking for your position tag here. On the white solid, we can drop down here, effects, beam, alt or command click the little keyframe here, drag the squiggly down to the beginning position point for start, which will put the start at our anchor point of start. Same thing for the end point here. We grab the anchor point and we drop down on end, transform, grab the squiggly, drag it to position. And now, if we move start around, the line will follow and they'll stay connected. That is a very easy way to do this. And now if we want this line to animate, just grab this. We want to keyframe the time, hit U on our keyboard to see it. Let's move this down to 1 second. Let's bring the time down to 0. Highlight both these keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant, and easy ease. Then that will just let the thing animate out. And that is how you manually make a callout title, start to end. If it was on like a map or something, no problem. It'd be the same thing. It stays connected always. This is the basic principle that you see of all the templates that have callout titles, all that stuff. This is how they're made. Now that I've shown you the manual way to make this, the free way to make this, there is a paid way to make these that is a lot faster. And in my opinion, a lot cooler. So there's a tool that my team and I created called Filmit CallOuts. There's a link down in the description. Feel free to check it out. And basically what it does is it does all of this for you. It goes a couple steps further, and I'll show you why. So if you've downloaded the tool, you install it, no problem. Open it up inside of After Effects, go to Window, Filmit CallOuts. I have a bunch of other tools here too. GridMaker is actually pretty dope. It's pretty simple. We're on version 2.6.1 and we're updating these pretty frequently, but you have a start target. You just refresh it and just find it. There's the start, your end target, your end, which is this. We can hit this as 0. We can go ahead and tick this box to have it animate. Make sure it's set to easy ease. I don't know why this says ease. It's supposed to just say animate. That'll be fixed. And then thickness 8, softness, and then generate callout. What it does is it builds everything for you. So here's your start null, your end null, and then you just hit play, and it does the same thing. It did what we created before. There's also a control layer. So if you click the control, go to effect controls, here's all of your controls. We can change the color, all that stuff. It's all pre here. To take this a step further, you can create elbows with this, which is pretty useful. And it would normally take a good bit of time to set up because you have to write all the expressions yourself and do the little pick whip stuff. So let's say we wanted to add 2 elbows to this. Generate callout, this type 2. Let's go ahead and do ease, easy ease keyframes, and then hit generate. It automatically builds it out one more time. Let's move our start. Let's move our end back. Let's move this elbow to here. Move this elbow to here just to see what it looks like. It does that. Now to take it an even step further, let's do 20 elbows. As you can see, it generates a lot of stuff and a lot of animation on screen here, which take a lot of time manually to create. So I moved all the elbows around all over the screen. If we hit play, As you can see, it draws out to each elbow as we go. And like I said, this is completely manual. You can make this manually, no problem. But to just be able to click a button and do it real fast is really helpful. So it could save you a lot of time. But that is how you create callout titles inside of After Effects. Pretty chill, pretty simple, and a lot more fun when you have a cool tool to do it. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.